building new customers loyalty. Building customers loyalty will gives you always high returns. CRM means customer relationship management. Essential customer care. Think of ways to make life easier for your customers. Encouraging customers feedback. So don't avoid the customers feedback. Hello my dear students, I am your AJ sir, faculty, Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. My dear students, today's session is about Management of Service, second sem B.B.A, and today's session on Introduction to Service. In previous session, we were discussing about what are the importance of service and what are the advantages of service, what are the types of service, classification of service, and also difference between goods and service. In this session, we are going to discuss about customers loyalty, how to build customers loyalty. First, before that, we have to understand why we need loyal customers. Why we need loyal customers? See, my dear students, out of 100%, for example, if you have 100 students, 20% of customers gives 80% of your sales. Keep this in mind. So these are very, very important customers, loyal customers. And also, getting new customers is cost 10 times or 5 times more than retaining old customers. For example, if you retain old customers, it costs you 5 rupees. If you want to get new customers from the market, or if you want to attract new customers from the market, it costs you 10 rupees. Because you have to reach the customers, you have to ask the customers problems, you have to research, you have to conduct marketing research, and also you have to come up with the research materials and also informations, and then you have to produce the product. Then you have to wait whether customers like the product or service, or they will switch on to other service or product. So, and also we have to invest on advertisements, we have to invest on promotion, and we have to invest on call centers or feedbacks from the customers. These are all the including in this 10 rupees. But if you retain the existing customers, because in retaining existing customers, you need not to spend more amount on advertising or also promotion, because existing customers already knows about your product. They know what your product is, where your product is available, what is the cost of the product, and how your brand, which is your brand and which type of your brand, they know everything. So, retaining existing customers costs less than attracting or acquiring new customers in the market. So, we need loyal customers. The brand which is having loyal customers is the brand which wins the race in the market. Keep this in mind. Next one, why we should build the customers loyalty. Building customers loyalty gives you high returns on the time, efforts, and money you invest in providing good customer service. So, building new customers loyalty. Building customers loyalty will gives you always high returns, because once the customer satisfied, once the customers felt delighted about your product, then he will not switch on to, or he will not move to other product or other brands. That's why loyal customers is very, very important. And once he assumed that, or once he thought about the brand, that the brand always prepares or produce very, very good product for us, or it provides very, very good service for us, then customers will not switch on to other product or services. Then how to make that customer to become loyal to our products or service? So he should feel delighted. See, to make customers delighted, we should not only produce the product, or we should not only provide the service, and we should not satisfy the customer. So satisfying the customer is not very, very important, and customer should feel delighted. So we have to understand, as a marketer, we have to understand pulse, heart, and mindset of the customer properly. Once you produce the product which is a solution for their problems, then they feel you are valuing their investment. You are valuing their time, what they invested in producing the product, and you are valuing their amount or money what they are spending on the purchase of your product or services. Now, loyal customers buy more regularly, and cost of selling them is low. So cost of selling them is low means what? So you need not to give much advertisement or promotion activity for the loyal customers or existing customers, because they know about your product, they know about your service, and also they buy more from the, once the customers addicted to your product, so they don't go to other product, they always comes to your product and they will purchase your product. Next one, regularly, they always use regularly, even though there are so many competition. So other competitors will go to customers and they will tell at least try once their products, but they will not go to the other product, even though there are such a competition in the market regarding the marketers, the challengers in the market are also competitors in the market, always waiting to attract our customers in the market. But loyal customers or existing customers will not switch on to other product or services. That is the importance of loyal customers. Next one, they will frequently recommend your business to others. See, a satisfied customers will produce 3 to 5 new customers to the business. A dissatisfied customers will avoid others from buying the product or service from the products. Our understanding, see, a satisfied customer, if one customer satisfied about your product, he will recommend his friends. For example, you go to movie, you watch a movie. Before watching movie, you don't have that much expectation about the movie. But that movie exceeds your expectation. You feel very delighted about the service or a movie. Then what you do? You will call your friend, you will message your friend and promote about the product. So good mouth is very, very important. Even though the marketers spending lots of money on the promotional activity, but always the good mouth or communication, direct communication is the very, very effective advertisement technique in the market. It may be service market or it may be product market. Good mouth leads to success of the business. Bad mouth leads to, for example, if you did not like the movie, if you did not feel the whatever the amount you spent, and if you did not feel, so you did not get the actual value for your money, then what you say, you will message your friends, or if you call your friend, and you will avoid your friends to going that movie, isn't it? So satisfied customers are very, very important, and also delighted customers are very, very important in the business. It may be service marketing or it may be product marketing. So a delighted customers or satisfied customers, existing customers, will advertise our product to their neighbors, or it may be their family, friends, family members, and also others. Next one, understanding customers' needs, providing good service, handling customers' complaints well, and staying in regular touch all help to improve customers' loyalty. So what we have to do, we have to understand the customer's need. Before producing service or before producing product, we have to understand the customer's needs, customer's problems. Then we have to providing good service. We should, for example, it is a hotel I am having. So before that, I should understand which type of customers I am having. Is that, rich customers or middle class customers or a poor customers to I am concentrating or I am targeting. So who is our customers? There, once I understand what is the actual needs, what they are looking for in my product or service, if once I understand, then I can produce good product or good service for them. I can render a wonderful, a satisfiable service for them. Once they are satisfied, so we have to handle the customers. So just selling the product or service is not enough. So we have to train the customers, or we have to guide the customers how to use the product or how to use the service or how to consume our service and what type of service we are providing and how to use the product or service. Next one, we have to handle the customer complaints properly. So once the product is sold, for example, I sold a laptop to my customers and I had to call my customers or I had to message my customers whether they are facing any problems or if they are facing any problems related to using of my product, or is there any problems in the design of the product or the inside machinery of the product or inside service of the product. So if there is any feedback, I should get the feedback and I should rectify my mistakes. That leads to, then customers will think, yes, the marketer is valuing our money. Yes, the marketer is valuing his customers. That type of feeling they will get. Next one, making customers service a priority. So what is the first priority of the marketer as a service marketer? So making customers, we should give a customer a first priority in the market. So more than the profit, more than any other, and a good position in the market, giving the customer satisfaction and giving the importance to customers is very, very important in the market. Next one, make customer care a key part your business strategy. CRM. CRM means customer relationship management. See, in any business, we should make our customers the first. We should give the first priority to customers. See, ultimate. This is the company structure. Here the customers, here the top management, here the production unit, and also marketing units are coming, production unit coming, and finance unit is here. The customers were there. So we should make like this. So we should give first priority to customers, then the production, then the top management or the business. So we have to understand the customers concept like this. We should give first priority to our customers. Then we have to understand the customers' needs. We have to understand the customers' wants, how customers is thinking. For example, a marketer should think 20 years forward. So he should be future oriented. So in future generation customers, what type of products they want after 20 years. So he should not think about history. He should think about future. Next one, learn as much about your different customer segments as you can. For example, learn about your customer segments. So who is our customer, whether it is rural customers or urban customers or national, international. So rich class or middle class. So who is our customers and to whom we are targeting. STP is very, very important. What do you mean by STP? STP. So segmenting, targeting and positioning. What do you mean by that? Segmenting means grouping different types of, making different types of groups on the base of different nature. For example, on the base of age, I make above 18 years one group, below and 18 to 25 years, 25 to 35 years and 35 to 40 or 50 years more. So I make 3 groups on the age. Okay, I can also make female group of customers, male group of customers, and I also can make Tamil Nadu market customers or Karnataka customers. Like this, on the base of language, on the base of gender, on the base of age, on the base of income status, we can make different segments. So after making segments, we can target there will be hundreds of segments. So we cannot satisfy all 100 types of segments. So we can target any 1 or 2 types. For example, I select 18 to 20 years group. So this is the use. 18 to 30 years, let's keep 18 to 30 years age group. In that, again, rich class customers will buy more products. So instead of concentrating on middle class customers, I am going to rich class customers. So this is 2 segmentation. First one is rich class customers. Second one is age group, on the base of age group 18 to 35. So because above 18 and 35 is the actual earners, so they will earn more money in the economy. So they can invest or they can spend more money in the economy. Next one, develop a consistent brand identity. So what do you mean by branding? Branding is the idea or the imagination in the mindset of the customers. What do you mean by branding? Branding is a imagination about the product in the mindset of the customers. Create a brand or create an image in the mindset of the customers. Understand? So when you hear Audi, so you will get the brand image in your mindset. So Audi means it is richer class. Audi means it is sophisticated. Audi means it is very it is built for higher class. So that is what the brand image of Audi, the quality and also the production what you get when you drive the Audi car, and also the feeling, you feel rich, or if you feel very satisfied when you drive the Audi car. So these are the brand image you get in the customer's mindset. So if you go to Tata Nano, when you feel Tata Nano, so the brand image of the Tata Nano, so that is built for the middle class customers. So for example, Maruti Suzuki, if you say if you heard Maruti Suzuki name, so you feel so Maruti Suzuki for middle class customers. So if you hear or if you heard the word called Audi, or if you BMW or the Rolls Royce, it is built for rich class customer. That means a brand image. So you should have to build the brand image for who is your customer and for whom you are targeting. So who are your customers? When you heard your name, or when the customers heard your brand name, they should feel to whom you are producing the product. And for example, if I am a rich class person, if I am a rich class customer, when I heard the name called Audi or BMW, I feel the product is making for me, the service is providing for me. So this is the brand image. I create a brand image in the mindset of the customers. Next one, design and deliver customers experience. See, service is intangible. So we have to increase, in order to increase the service experience, we have to add more number of tangible products to the service. For example, if you go to movie theater, so even though it is a service or it is a entertainment, it is part of service. What they will provide? They will provide a juice, they will provide a meal, or they will provide any other facility. Tangible products they will add to the service. Like this, they will always, a marketer try to increase the customer's experience. So then customer feel they are getting more value for the amount they are spending. Next one, essential customer care. Think of ways to make life easier for your customer. So what is the main objective of any service provider or a product producer? So we should make our customers' life easier. For example, so producing a mixie, it leads to make the life of our customers' life easier. Okay, and producing a TV, so it gives more comfortable to our customers. And also providing hotel service, it leads to giving or making life of customers easy. When they go to outside, they don't get comfortable facility, comfortable food facility, good food and good shelter. So providing good shelter and good food is the main objective of hotel industry. And also entertainment industry, so they should feel happy to come to the theater, they should feel happy to come to the restaurants because of the service what they are getting. So they will value, every customer will value for every money what he is spending on the service. That's why a customer should feel happy, he should feel delighted for every money, for every amount he is spending on the service. Next one, identify and address the weakness that could affect customer service. See, before, what do you mean by weakness? What is our strength? So we should do SWOT analysis. SWOT. What do you mean by SWOT? So S means strength, W means weakness, O means opportunity, T means threats. What do you mean by that? So every marketer has to analyze his SWOT. We have to conduct SWOT analysis. What are my strengths? So in which field I am having very strength. For example, some companies will be having their strength in production of good products. Some companies will be having rendering good service. Some companies will be having strength in advertisements. Someone will be having good salespersons. Good employees is our strength. Good stakeholders is our strength. Good loyal customers is our strength. A good advertisement is our strength. So like that. So we have to understand what is our strength and what is our weakness. We may be weakness in acquiring the feedback or getting the feedback from my customers. So convert your weakness to strength. So if you don't have a proper feedback handling management or feedback handling services, make it happen. Bring good feedback handling mechanism or customers CRM, customers relationship management. So bring customers relationship management to your business. Next one, communicate effectively with customers. So understand customers' problem. They may be facing any other problems while using your product or services after getting your services. So handle if the customers having any problems after using your product or services, please go to the customers, call them or message them and encourage them to give feedback about the services what they got or the product what they purchased. Next one, plan your communications to keep customers informed. So if you come up with any new product or any new service, try to give the information to customers. What is the new service you are offering? So, or what is the new customer or new products you are coming out to the, are you bringing to the market, and what are the expectations about the customers? How that particular service or product will going to solve the problems of the customers. Is there any improvement is needed? Customers will give suggestions. Okay, customers will give suggestion. Make customers club, customers group who have purchased your product. For example, Royal Enfield. So create a Royal Enfield group. Okay, the customers who are using the Royal Enfield group, so they will come together and they will share their opinion, their experience, their problems with the product, and also we can give wonderful service. After sales service is very, very important to keep the customers loyal. Next one, make it easy for them to contact you. What do you mean by encourage customer feedback? So as a marketer, I have to encourage my customers. I should not avoid my customers giving feedback. So for example, I am a teacher. I should ask my students whether they are understanding my subject or whether they are understanding the way I am teaching. For example, as a doctor, I can ask my patients, are they feeling satisfied about my treatment? So as a lawyer, I can go to my customers or clients, I can ask them whether they are satisfied with my legal suggestions. So if the customers having any problem, try to solve it. Sit with the customers and understand the customer's problem properly and try to solve it. Then they will become loyal customers to you and they will not forget for the entire life. They will be always wants to purchase your service or product. Next one, provide personal service. So for example, already told you 80%, 20% of the customers will give you 80% of sales. They are very, very loyal customers. So make them separate group and give new service or different types of service, special kind of service for the special type of customers. If the customers gives you more services, always try to share your profit with the customers. How to share the profit? So giving more discount to the customers who purchase more and also giving more other facility. So always the premium customers, always try to give more to the premium customers, and also we can neglect the unprofitable customers. Make 3 groups. For example, more profitable customers, okay, just profitable, simple profitable, less profitable and non-profitable customers. So if the customer is more profitable, then always try to keep the customers with you. Okay, so give more things to the customers and also give more information about the customers. Keep customized service. Okay, customized service. For example, give customized service to the premium customers or more important customers, and also try to ordinary customers or less profit customers to become more profit customers. Then if the customers are non-profitable, try to avoid this type of non-profitable customers. So we can try to make convert these non-profitable customers to profitable customers. Even though after trying to convert from non-profitable to profitable, then we can leave the customers and also we can concentrate on more profitable customers. Next one, measure customers service level. So give more number of points. For example, which type of customer service I am giving, whether am I giving a excellent service, am I giving good service, am I giving bad or worst. So measure customer service. For example, if you go to any showroom, so they will give your suggestion, is the service is excellent, good, better or worst. So which type of service they are giving. So ask the customers to give feedback and measure that. So if they give customers your service is very bad, so try to solve the problem and also try to give more training to your employees, and also we should convert our weakness to strength, and also we should convert our future threats to opportunities. That's what SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis means strength, opportunities, threats and strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. So we should convert our weakness to strength. We should convert our threats to opportunities. So this is what SWOT analysis is. So always we should measure our customers' service levels. So if the customer level or feedback is very low, we should give more training to our employees, and also we should try to convert from lower level of service to best or better service. Next one, give top to your customer. Now, what do you mean by give top customers more? Already explained you. So, 20% of customers gives you more profit, or 30% of customers gives more profits. Always try to give more to the customers, existing customers, and also the profitable customers. For example, a Visa is a card. It is also debit card is there and also credit card is there. So there are so many types are there. For example, they have given premium card, classic card and also gold card, like that. So for example, ordinary customers will get classic card. If they are profitable, they will give gold card, and if the more profitable or rich customers, they will give premium card. Like this, they will segregate the customers on the basis of profit, what they are getting from the customers. So give more service to the premium customers. So they need more security, they need more transaction. The bank can give more loans to the premium customers. So and also reduce the interest, because the premium customers, one who get more are the huge amount from the bank, and also they are ready to pay the interest for that, but they need good customers management from the bank. Next one, reserve a special level for the service for key customers. Always give more priority for the top level customers, and also when you give top priority for the profitable customers or premium customers, they feel happy and also they will be loyal to your product. Make it easier for big customers to buy from you. So if the customers is profitable, so you only go to the customers, and also always try to give information about the new product or service what you're introducing in the market. Next one, let key customers know you value them. So the key customers or important customers should feel that the management or the marketers is valuing them more. So instead of, they should feel that. So like that, you prepare a service or you prepare a mechanism or you prepare a process, so that our advertisement, so that the customer should feel the marketer is valuing or giving more value for them. So then they will feel happy, they will be loyal to our product or service. Next one, encouraging customers' feedback. So don't avoid the customers' feedback. So encourage them to give feedback. So if they give more feedback, you will get an opportunity. Already told you, SWOT analysis, strength, weakness and opportunities and threats. So when they give more feedback, if the feedback is bad, don't worry. So you can convert your weakness to strength. So when they give more feedback, so you can understand it as the future threats you can convert to your opportunities. Next, they will give suggestions, not only feedback, they will give suggestion. So how to improve your service or how to improve your products, the customers will give suggestions also, and also provide opportunities for customers to give feedback. So ask customers, not only there are so many medias to contact the customers, it may be social media, it may be Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp is there. You can call the customers, message the customers, and also you can ask the customers, and also involve the customers in the promotion activity. So promotion activity is not just giving the information. So we should involve the customers, and also we should make the customers as a stakeholder in the promotional activity. For example, so many products in the social media or Facebook ask you to like the product or share the product. This is called making the customer involving or getting the customers to as a part of advertisement. Just giving the advertisement is not enough. So we should make customers to feel they are the part of the business. Next one, contact customers who have stopped buying and find out why. So we should call the customers, we should ask the customer why they have stopped from buying our product. Is there any problem with the service what we are providing? Is there any problems with our product manufacturing? So ask your customers. If there is any problem, we can rectify. Next one, encourage customer complaints. So as more customers, the more customers complaints you get, so the more opportunities you get to solve the problem of your service or rectify your mistake and coming up to the market with more strength and opportunities. So customer complaints is not a negative thing, it is a positive thing. So the more customers complaints we get, a marketer should feel more opportunities he will get to rectify his mistakes. Next one, deal with complaints effectively. So not only just taking complaints, we should take measures to rectify the problems. Instead of just taking the complaint is not enough, simply sitting. Not only getting the feedback from the customer is not enough, but we have to try to solve the problem of the customers if there is any. So the more customer complaints we get, the more opportunities we get to solve the customers' problems and also to come up with new products in the market. So my dear students, again I am going to repeat. In this session we have discussed very important 4 points we have discussed here. What are those? Making customer service very priority. So customer should feel the marketer is giving more priority to us, then he should feel happy and he will be loyal to our market. Next one, essentials of customers care. So think of ways to make life easier for your customers. As a marketer, we should think or we should try to solve the customer's problem and they should feel happy about the product or service, and we should make customers' life easier and better. Next one, give top priority to top customers. So we should give top priority to top customers. Means what? So more than 20% of the total customers gives the 80% of sales. So when you get 80% of sales from only 20% of customers, so we can give more to the 20% of customers and make them to buy once again our product or use our service once again, and they should feel happy. Next one, encourage customers' feedback. What do you mean by that? So not only selling the product or service, so we should get the customer's feedback, and just after getting the customer feedback, simply sitting with the feedback is not enough. We should try to solve the problem of the customer effectively. Then only customers will feel, even though there are some mistakes will be there in any problem, in any product or services. Once you try to solve the customer's problems effectively, then they will feel very happy about our product or service. So my dear students, remaining points we will discuss in the next session about the building customers loyalty. So remaining points will be continued in the next session. Till then, thank you so much. See you in the next class.